Hi again. I've got my Stihl FS450 out today. The big Stihl strimmer. I'm going to put my Oregon blade on because I need to cut some brambles down. So I'll just show you how to do it. Pretty straightforward. I've got this pin. I forget when I got it. I got it with one of the Stihl products I've bought.
See it again.
Just a pin, but you can use a screwdriver or a bit of metal or anything. It doesn't have to be the official one. I got it the wrong way. So all you just do is that, locks it so you can get that off. Then I need that bit. I think I need that bit. I'm not sure if I need that bit or not yet. That says on the blade this side up, so it goes that way. But I've got a. I don't think I need that plate. Oh yeah, the plate can stay on, like so. So then I'll lock it to that. Actually, like so. Put that on. I haven't used a string for ages. So there's that. I had this on another strimmer that didn't run quite correctly, so that's the same bit off of that. So all I need is these bits. We've got that, which has got the splines in it, which have locked in place. We put the cup on and get it all fitting right. A bit easier if I turn it on its side. This might be, no, it does. I thought I was going to have to take that little disky bit off, but didn't have to. And then I've got the nut, and this is a left-hand thread. So I'll just get as tight as I can without, before I need to use a spanner. And then I don't know whether that one will do it. It does. I don't know whether I have to have the pin for this over at the moment. Yeah, I think I do. So I've done it the wrong way. So used to doing it the other way. And then just tighten it. See, that pin is just locking it at the moment. And that's that. Blades now on. Yeah, you can see that's all on there like so. So yeah, we can get that going. What I want to do is, I've got what I said, I fit it on another strimmer, but I had carb issues, I think. I've got an FS400, which I was just going to have dedicated with this blade on, then leave the normal head on this one. Because this is actually one I bought new probably, I don't know how long ago, 7-8 years ago. Used to get used a lot, very rarely gets used now. I did have the strap I got with it as well, but I've mislaid that somewhere. So this is one that someone gave me. It's alright, it's a proper steel one. So yeah, I'll use that today. So I'll do a actual review of this, and then you'll see it working. So yeah, for this video it was just showing you how to change and put the Oregon cutting.